Agni Mahabhuta.
Hello, welcome to Wellness Wednesdays with your own Dr. Devika Deshmukh. Today, we are going to learn about Agni Mahabhuta. When we talk about Agni Mahabhuta, that means fire element. One among the 5 Mahabhutas is the Agni Mahabhuta. And Agni is responsible for destroying negativity and for transformation of one substance into another. So, in physical form, you will see fire in the environment, in the surrounding, in the form of sun. And that is why we say that if you have good food during the morning times, then your metabolism stays intact. And you should have less amount of food by the time it is sunset and even lesser at night, so that the metabolism stays on its track. The ways in which Agni is seen in our body is the digestive fire. If you have good metabolism, then yes, your Agni Mahabhuta is intact. If your hormones are functioning properly, if the digestive juices like pancreatic juice and all other juices are secreted right, and they can transform what you eat into proteins, into all the other fluids of the body in the proportionate way, then yes, your Agni is functioning properly. But in case you have indigestion issues, symptoms like IBS, in the sense irritable bowel syndrome, or constipation, or loose stools, or no hunger and appetite on time, then yes, your Agni Mahabhuta needs to be checked. And that is why whenever you visit any Ayurvedic doctor, they will check for the Nadi, they will check for the Agni, and they will ask you a lot of questions regarding your hunger. And when we talk about digestion, it's not just the food we eat. So whenever someone says, my digestion is not good, my stomach is not feeling well, that means whatever food they are eating is not getting processed, absorbed, assimilated well, or broken down well, and that is why the digestion is poor. At the same time, if you cannot mentally digest some thoughts, then your mental Agni is on the lower end, and that needs to be strengthened. And that is why processing in even the form of your mental capacity is low. So when it comes to Agni, it is just the transformation, not just related to your systems, digestive system, but also your mind. I hope you enjoyed the episode of Agni. Wait until next Wellness Wednesday when I talk about which Mahabhuta? Vayu Mahabhuta.